Этим летом в горах недалеко от Сочи разбился вертолет Центрального спасательного отряда. Пилот погиб, а пассажиры получили ранения. Оказавшиеся рядом спелеологи сняли авиакатастрофу любительской камерой.
Papa, oh.
А в прошлом году в городе Видное вертолет упал прямо во время концерта. По данным следствия, трагедия произошла из-за ошибки пиротехника. В кабине вспыхнул фейерверк, который и ослепил пилота.
This frightening video gives us another look at Tuesday's helicopter crash in New York City. This news chopper was covering a shooting in Brooklyn and landed right in the middle of that story. A WNBC reporter and 2 pilots were on board when the News Channel 4 helicopter spun out of control. Another chopper from WABC just happened to be in that same area and caught the whole thing on tape. All 3 people managed to survive that crash and can be seen actually climbing out of the wreckage moments later.
Police train for river rescue duty. The goal is to reach a raft of mock victims and airlift them to safety. But this will be no routine exercise. The helicopter approaches the raft. A crewman climbs out on a skid. Suddenly, the engine fails. The pilot gets some lift, but it's not enough. The helpless officer loses his grip. The chopper crashes down right on top of him. There's no sign of life. But then, the pilot emerges, followed by the co-pilot. Incredibly, even the crewman who was crushed makes it out. No lives are lost.
Hell yeah. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh god. Holy fuck.
We've seen what actually happened last November. Caught by onboard cameras, the Black Hawk comes into land, seemingly too fast. It crashes onto the flight deck, severing the tail rotor, sending the copter tumbling over the side. Further video shows frantic rescue efforts and the subsequent salvage operation.
Летчик демонстрирует зрителям маневренность четырехлопастного многоцелевого летательного аппарата. Но во время фигур высшего пилотажа летчик делает фатальную ошибку.
Ever since its initial test flights, like this one in 1991, the Osprey has been in trouble.
Today, the SH-3 is one of the most popular search and rescue helicopters in the world. The Arabian Gulf, July 2002. The Navy destroyer USS Cushing is on patrol when a Sea King carrying 7 people comes in for a landing. The helicopter approaches the landing pad on the stern of the destroyer. Without warning, its tail rotor loses power. The 9-ton aircraft spins out of control and slams against the deck of the ship. The tail breaks in two, and the main rotor blades shear off and fly in every direction. One strikes the deck, igniting a fire. Bathed in smoke, the Sea King tumbles over the side of the ship and into the water. As emergency crews rush in and spray the landing platform with foam, the wrecked helicopter can be seen drifting off the ship's stern. It remains afloat for another 14 minutes. All 7 crew members manage to escape and inflate their life vests.
Стивен снимает, как вертолет пытается оторваться от земли в разреженном горном воздухе. Чуть позже, когда он проходит вершину, ребята понимают, что-то не так. Люди бегут к месту падения. Пока Стефан с трудом преодолевает расстояние до обломков, его камера снимает, как люди покидают горящий вертолет. Он ставит камеру на снег, и она продолжает работать.
In Mozambique, investigated idiots in India, and noted numbskulls in Norway. And it never ceases to amaze me how the truly stupid can always find a new way to mess up.
$10,000 boat breaking down isn't that stupid, sir.
True, but what degree of idiocy does it take to lose $1 million helicopter?